The third object you create in Stambia is a process. In a process, you can bring all your mappings you want to execute and put them in a sequence. And further, add more steps to create an end-to-end workflow. Sequencing your mappings can be based on the database constraints or any other requirements. You can use different types of links between two steps, like successful, unsuccessful, anyway, and so on. Further, you can arrange your process to have a better view. From the process palette, you can choose the actions that you need, like you can use file management actions, send-receive emails, and file via FTP, SEP, perform some scripting or SQL, and use a set of automation tools. Therefore, after sequencing your mappings, you can bring these actions in your process. Let's say you want to send email alerts after the data loading is completed. So you can bring the send email action and configure the properties. Let's open a process created already. Here you have some pre- and post actions for the data mart load. When you execute the process, you can follow the overall statistics. As well, can click on a mapping to see the individual statistics. In this process, at the end, an execution report is created, which can be accessed for certain details of the batch execution. In this example, let's say we can add a send email step. The email metadata can be dropped to auto-configure outgoing server properties. Then, we can copy the execution report text file's path and put it in the attachment property of the email action. And now, the execution report can be sent via an email